Okay, YouTube, just figured something out here. I've been watching a couple videos on YouTube. I got a squeaky belt on my 01 Ford F350 7.3, and I just discovered a way of finding out if you're having a problem with, I know specifically, your water pump pulley. You can see how my belt's centered. Now I'm going to start the truck up, and what I'm using actually, well, not the Red Bull, a little bit of WD-40 and just a spray bottle to diagnose this. So let me get it started up and I'll show you what I figured out. Alright, you can hear the god-awful squeak that I got going on in there. Now, if you can pay attention to the water pump pulley, you're going to see how that belt is riding the whole way up on the right side of the pulley. Now, just for demonstration purposes, I'm just going to take my water bottle and I'm just going to put a little bit of water on there. It lets me know it's the back side of my belt. So that means it's all the flat surfaces. That's your idler pulley, your water pump, and your idler pulley over there for your tensioner. Now I just replaced the brand new idler on top, brand new tensioner. So now I'm going to show you how to diagnose water pump. Alright, now you're going to watch that pulley again. Now watch when I put a little bit of WD on the back side of the belt. You'll see that belt actually come over to center the way it's supposed to be. Did you see it jump off the back air? That means that pulley down there is bad. My water pump's dragging. I'm going to also replace the water pump. I got the original OEM thermostat housing, which there's a problem with them. I'm going to go with the billet, and then you'll start to see how that belt, after the WD wears down, it starts coming back to the right side of the pulley. I'm going to replace the pulley also. It's getting its way back there now. And I'll show it to you one more time here. Like I said, just a little bit of WD right on the back side of the belt. Alright, we're over. Hit it with some WD, and you'll see that belt jump right back. That belt's not supposed to ride on the edge of that pulley, so that lets me know that the back side of that pulley's wore out. So that's how I'll be replacing, that's what I'll be fixing by replacing that, well, I just need a whole new water pump too, but that's where my squeal's coming from. Now, that's at idling, mid to high RPM. I mean, that squeal's just continuously annoying the hell out of me there. So I just wanted to show people what I just discovered. So hopefully this video helps somebody. I'd appreciate it. Any good comments. If you have any feedback on this video or something you know that I don't, I'm always open to suggestions. But hey, thanks for your time.